Good afternoon. I have reservation under the
Okay, sir. Just a moment, Mr. Mark. Oh, I'm so sorry, Mr. Mark, but it seems there's been a mistake. Your room was accidentally given to another guest.
What? That's impossible. I booked this room a month ago.
I understand, sir. I know how frustrating this must be. Please tell me everything. What are your concerns?
I booked these months in advance. I took time off work, arranged transportation, and now you're saying my room is gone? Where I'm supposed to stay? This is a disaster.
I completely understand how you feel, Mr. Mark. It's incredibly disappointing when plans fall apart, especially when you've been looking forward to them. I am so sorry for this mistake, Mr. Mark. This is not the experience we want you to have. Please let me see what I can do. I'm so sorry, sir. I'm going to call you later. You can sit there in our lobby.
Alright.
Hi, Miss KG. We have problem here in one of our customer. Can you please go here in the lobby so we can talk the guest? Mr. Mark, I sincerely apologize for the error. This is not typical for our account and we will take full responsibility. Mr. Mark, we don't have any room available at the moment. However, we will offer you a complimentary upgrade for the suite for tomorrow. And for tonight, we will cover the cost at the room at a comparable hotel nearby. We will also provide a free transportation.
As with tomorrow night, and you'll pay for hotel tonight?
Yes, sir. And to further apology, we would like to offer you a free complimentary dinner for tonight. Dasha, could you please assist Mr. Mark with his luggage and ensure he gets to the alternate hotel comfortably? Aisha, can you quickly check if there are any rooms that might be ready sooner than expected? Okay, I'll check right away now. Thank you for your patience and understanding, Mr. Mark. We appreciate you for choosing our hotel and we hope you will give us another chance to provide you with excellent experience.
Well, that's better than nothing. I appreciate trying to make things right.